Good morning all. Last days we have learned about the concepts of rings and fields. Today we have an important concepts of ring, divisors of zero or zero divisors. We have the definition and example of that and a theorem associated with the concept of zero divisor, and we have a problem of zero divisor. Now let's move to the portions. So today's concept is divisors of zero, and the definition is if A and B are two non-zero elements of a ring R such that AB equal to 0, then A and B are divisors of 0. We have A and B are non-zero divisors and the product AB is 0. We have the examples. First we have taken the example as Z12 with addition modulo 12 and multiplication modulo 12. The elements of Z12 are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 11. We know that 2 into 6. When we multiply 2 into 6, the answer is 12. If we divided by 12, then the remainder is 0. So 2 multiplication modulo 12, 6 equal to 0. Similarly, 3, 4. 3 multiplication modulo 12, 4. 3 into 4, 12. 12 in 12 was divided by remainder is 0. Now 3 into 8, 24. 24 by 12, remainder is 0. 4 into 6, 24. Remainder is 0 when we divided by 12. 6 into 6, again 36. 36 by 12, remainder is 0. 6 into 8, 48. 48 by 12, answer is 4 and the remainder is 0. 6 into 10, 60. 60 when we divided by 12, the remainder is 0. 8 into 9, 72. 72 by 12, the remainder is 0. So all these product will be 0. Therefore in Z12, 2. Here 2 into 6 equal to 0. So 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9 and 10 are divisors of 0. Here everywhere the product is equal to 0, but all these numbers are not 0. Now the second example is consider the set R of all ordered pairs AB of real numbers. We have shown that it's a commutative ring with unity under the composition, addition and multiplication of ordered pairs. It's defined by AB plus CD is equal to first coordinate A plus C, B plus D, and ABCD, the product of coordinates ACBD for all ABCD element of R. Now we have to show that it's an example of zero divisor. For that, take two real numbers A and B with A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0. Then consider the ordered pairs A0 and 0B are two non-zero elements of R. Then A into 0 into 0 into B, which is equal to the product A into 0, B into 0, which is equal to 0, 0, which is 0 of R. Hence for any two real numbers A and B with A not equal to 0, B not equal to 0, A0 and 0B are divisors of 0. So we have two examples of zero divisors. Now we have a theorem. In the ring Zn, the ring of n numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. n minus 1 with addition modulo n and multiplication modulo n, the divisors of 0 are precisely those non-zero elements that are relatively prime to n. Now we have the proof. There are two cases we have to consider. First choose any m element of Zn. We can take an element from 0 to n minus 1. Then where m not equal to 0, and we can assume that it's GCD with n. GCD of m comma n is equal to d. We don't know what's the value of d. First we can take it is not relatively prime to n, that is d not equal to 1. Since d is the GCD of m and n, d divides both m and n, and hence both m by d and n by d are positive integers. Therefore, m into n by d is equal to m by d into n, which is m by d is positive integer, so m by d into n is a multiple of n, which is equal to 0 in Zn. If we divided with that number with n, we will get the remainder as 0. So here m not equal to 0 and n by d not equal to 0, but this product m into n by d is 0. Therefore, in this case, both m and n by d are 0 divisors. We have to tell only about m. Therefore, in this case, m is a divisor of 0. Now we can assume that m is relatively prime to n, that is that GCD d is equal to 1. So we can take for any s element of Zn, we can take ms equal to 0. Then n divides the product ms of m and s as elements is in the ring Z. Zn പോലെ എടുക്കണ്ട, ms separate Z element പോലെ എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. Then since n is relatively prime to m, n divides ms implies that n divides s. m വെച്ച് n നെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല റിലേറ്റീവ്ലി പ്രൈം ആയതുകൊണ്ട്. സോ വി ഹാവ് n divides ms എന്ന് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ n divides s. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് s ഈക്വൽ ടു 0 ഇൻ Zn. നമ്മൾ റിമൈൻഡർ എടുത്തു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ s is equal to 0 in Zn. Remainder is 0. So when we divided with n, s നെ നമ്മൾ n ആയിട്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ it will be 0. Thus, for any s element of Zn, ms equal to 0 implies that s equal to 0. Therefore, m is not a 0 divisor. Hence, in the ring Zn, the divisors of 0 are precisely those non-zero elements that are not relatively prime to n. Now we have the corollary. If p is prime, then Zp has no divisors of 0. We have by the above theorem, in Zn, the divisors of 0 are precisely those elements that are relatively prime to n. Here p is a prime number, so every element of Zp 0, 1, 2, etc. p minus 1 is relatively prime to p. So by the above theorem, so every element is prime to p, so there are no elements of Zp are divisors of 0. Now we have a problem. Find all solutions of x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 in Z12. We know that in Z we can factorize the polynomial as x square minus 5x plus 6. Sum is equal to minus 5 and product is equal to 6. Numbers are minus 2 and minus 3. So x minus 2 into x minus 3. Therefore, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 implies x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0, which implies x equal to 2 or x equal to 3. Now, the question is in Z12. Now, we have to check wherever the values of the product becomes 0. So, if we take the number 2 multiplication modulo 6, modulo 12, 6 is equal to 0. Similarly, 3 multiplication modulo 4 equal to 0, 3 multiplication modulo 8 is equal to 0, 4 multiplication modulo 6 is equal to 0, 4 multiplication modulo 9 is equal to 0, 6 multiplication modulo 12, 6 equal to 0, 6 multiplication modulo 12, 8 equal to 0, 6 multiplication modulo 12, 10 equal to 0, 8 multiplication modulo 12, 9 is equal to 0. So, all these numbers, all these products is equal to 0. Now, we can check if we substitute x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 6 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 2 is 4 into 3 which is equal to 0. Also, if we substitute for 11 x equal to 11 minus 2 into 11 minus 3 in this formula is equal to 9 into 8 which is equal to 0. Hence, x equal to 11 and x equal to 6 are also solutions in Z12. Hence solutions are x equal to 2, 3, 6 and 11.